If you're experiencing login errors on Epic Games, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause login issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Update the Epic Games launcher. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Epic Games launcher. Open the launcher and check for any available updates. If an update is available, install it and then try logging in again. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes corrupted cache or cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies if you are logging in through a web browser. If using the launcher, you may need to uninstall and reinstall it. Step 5. Contact Epic Games Support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Epic Games Support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error message you are receiving and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Epic Games. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.